Did you know that Kentucky is known as the horse capital of the world? Well, travelers and adventure seekers, let's find out why. Today we take you to Kentucky Horse Park, a paradise for horse lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. Featuring over 1,200 acres of rolling hills, scenic trails, and majestic horses, from the Hall of Champions to the interactive exhibits of the International Horse Museum. Saddle up and get ready to experience the beauty and grandeur of the Kentucky Horse Park. First tip, if you're camping at the campground, get your tickets there. It's cheaper.
Let's give Roy H. a big hand. Roy H. is a beautiful horse, and he's also got a lot of personality. He's a really fun guy to work with around the barn. And all those races you just saw were of Roy H. racing when he was 5, 6, and 7 years old. Horses usually start when they're 2, maybe 3 years old sometimes. And he got off to kind of a slow start in his career. His trainer, Peter Miller, said that he trained really impressively in the morning, showed a lot of talent, and he would often post a bullet.
Many people may not realize the depth of Kentucky's equestrian culture and the role the horse park plays in preserving its legacy. I was shocked to learn what a devastating toll World War I had on the horse population. The park and museum is just loaded with tons of information, artifacts, and everything you can think of from horses and history throughout the years. I had no idea there were so many different breeds of horses.
They called him a rags to riches story, the bargain basement millionaire. And he really was that, because when he sold at a yearly auction, he was more nonprofit here at Britain Farms. And at the yearly auction, only 2 people bid on him, and the hammer went down at a sale of $2,000, which is just ridiculously low. It's kind of unheard of, really. But he was from the first crop of his father's horses that he would produce. So people didn't really know how they were going to perform.
Tip number 2, pay attention to the schedule. If you want to check everything out, try and get there about 5 or 10 minutes early to get you a good seat. My favorite thing was the horse-drawn trolley. Like the old Frisch's Big Boy commercials, what's your favorite thing at Kentucky Horse Park? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you check out the big barn. It is one of the largest in the country, and the kids loved seeing all the horses. The Kentucky Horse Park is a must-visit destination for anyone who loves horses, with its rich history, beautiful landscapes, and exciting events. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to check out our other videos, such as the Kentucky Horse Park Campground. We'll have that uploaded soon. And leave a comment sharing your favorite horse breed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.